Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Hostinger domain to a Google AI Studio project. First, open your Google AI Studio project and make sure it is working properly. When everything is ready, export the project to GitHub. Select your GitHub account, choose a repository, and complete the export. Wait until all project files are uploaded. Next, open Vercel in a new tab and create an account or login. After logging in, connect your GitHub account to Vercel. This allows Vercel to access your repositories. Click on Import Project and select the Google AI project you exported earlier. Continue with the import and deploy the project. Wait for the deployment to finish. Once the project is deployed, open it inside the Vercel dashboard. Find the Domains option and click Add Domain. Choose Add an existing domain. Now go to your Hostinger account and copy your domain name. Return to Vercel, paste the domain, and add it to the project. Vercel will now show DNS records, usually an A record and a CNAME record. Keep this page open. Go back to Hostinger, open the domain settings, and enter the DNS or name server menu. Add the A record from Vercel and save it. Then add the CNAME record from Vercel and save it as well. After this, return to Vercel and wait for domain verification. This can take a few minutes. Once verified, your Hostinger domain will be connected to your Google AI project hosted on Vercel. Thanks for watching.